racing just started, one slow out, and that is Pagano. We have Security Rose moving apart the outside, is boarding past Bazooka. And Sunshine comes next, worth the wait, galing galing. Daman Surya second less, while Pagano is the early trader by about 16 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Security Rose by about 4 lengths, and in second is boarding past Sunshine, is done on the inside. Bazooka, galing galing, is racing in fifth. Then comes the Mansuria, worth the wait, while Fagano is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have Security Rose, Sunshine moving up down on the inside, and on the outside Bazooka, galing galing, is on the outside. Then comes boarding past the Mansuria, worth the wait, while Fagano is still running at the tail of the field. And at the fourth turn, we have Bazooka, boarding past, galing galing, is on the outside. Sunshine is down on the inside fourth, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have boarding past Bazooka, galing galing, is on the outside with about 150 meters more to run. We have boarding pass followed by Bazooka on the outside. Boarding pass followed by Bazooka, and finally boarding pass Bazooka, galing galing, Sunshine, then comes the Mansuria.
Boarding pass, dehado ang ating winner dito, JBJ